dream? Yeah.
You had a dream about what?
You had a dream that he kissed Justin Bieber on tour. No.
Ew.
He said, oh baby.
Oh, because he thought he was
No,
a woman, that's why.
No.
Because you thought he was a girl.
No. Not at all.
Hey, Latrice Royale, get out of there.
I had a dream that we were eating the same exact thing, doing the same exact thing with this little blue, whatever camera, and yeah. So, did you have one of these?
My dreams are all up in flames.
No. Just two.
Take the jaws off and freak with it.
That's on me right now. Look, let's not go there because you need to stop drinking soda pop.
Yes, you did.
No, you're not.
Again.
No, that's not going down.
You need to stop.
You need to stop.
You need to stop.
And you? Yeah, ma'am. Goodbye.
You need to stop. You need to stop.
Look. Don't do it. Don't do it, Miss Silly. Don't do it.
You need to stop.
You never stop. Because you know you want to kiss with Leonardo DiCaprio.
I don't like
You
Leonardo.
know you like you some Leonardo DiCaprio.
How you doing?
Y'all need to stop. Oh wait, hold on. Come on me. Because I'm going to tell it out to Nicki Minaj. She needs to stop. She looks like a clown. And you know what clowns do? They scare me. She looks like a dang fool. She know all that makeup. She know she ain't white. She know she crispy as my niece up there. My niece, my cousin.
Like your daddy.
Amen.
Okay, now you win. Hey, look.
Nah.
Welcome to the jungle.
The jungle's on top of this hat. You see it? You see it? You see all the animals crawling through it? It's funny.
She's talking about nobody's hair right now.
Get out of there.
My hair look high right
Come here,
now.
do it.
But that's alright.
We talking
I ain't mad at you.